On this occasion, we'd like to show you how we add ornamentation to our Oxfords. Our Adelaide model has a brogued capto with pinking. It features a special curved long wing with decorative serrated edging. These gimping perforations are carefully guided along the clicked leather piece by our skilled artisans' hands, coordinating in speed with the machine's pedal before closing the leather uppers together. Once stitched, they pass on to assembly, where they'll gain shape. We'll see you there.